Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add collage to your projects in InVideo.io. So this is the studio.invideo.io. This is the video editor, image editor, web browser version. So you can sign up with your Google account in order to enjoy all the feature. So you can upload your media, drop your images or video here. Then you can drag and drop to this canvas. Here you can click the video, and in order to add a collage, you can try to click three dots more button here, and here we go. So there are a lot of collage here. There are some of collage like 1, 2, 3, and there are 5 versions. And let's try this one, the one you can click. Here we go. So you can use this collage as your background. You can also change the this like background. You can choose this one, for example, or this one. So you can change the picture, for example, with this one. So you can replace or add as layer. So you can Ctrl Z in order to undo this one, for example. And so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.